How to disconnect Google account from Mobile Legends. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Okay, so the very first step is to open up your Mobile Legend app, and from here, click on your profile icon at the top left, and now you're at the profile page. We are going to the account section at the bottom left, and from here, tap on Account Center at the right hand side. Okay, this next part is really important, so make sure to pay close attention. Now we are going to tap on Disconnect Third-Party Account. You can then scroll through right here, and usually at the top you can see the Google account option. We tap on that and we are going to disconnect via connected account. So you should be logged in to your Google account on the same phone. So tap on that and it will then ask you to enter your account ID. So take note of your account ID somewhere and type it in. Now if you miss this next part, you'll have to start over. Next, tap on OK once you have entered your account ID and the reason and why you want to disconnect it. It will then pop this window up. Just tap on Continue and tap on Sign in with Google. And again, make sure that you can log into that same Google account that you connected to your Mobile Legends account. So just select the account and it should then take you back to the Mobile Legend app, and it will now say Google account is not connected. And that is how you can basically disconnect Google account from Mobile Legends.